The manufacturing process has become more complicated due to the increase of human needs and certification. People are seeking fast, more complicated, and less material-consuming method during the production process. The lifespan of product design and the standard of creating a more innovative way in a production plays an important role in future development.
Today, we are at the high technology development stage, especially inside the production section, and 3D printer is one of the most advantageous technology. When you need something or facing a problem, you can simply print everything with the 3D printer. Why do we use 3D printing? It allows people to cut down waste, reduce time, and address labor shortages by providing a cleaner and faster world for us. We can almost print anything or everything from the 3D printer.
The operating of 3D printer is easy to be conducted. All we need is to switch on the printer, choose the printing document, and then select the confirm through the main button in front of the 3D printer. And now you can see the printer is starting to print the model layer by layer. The base layer of the design is shown, and the model is well presented and refined. There are also a reminder, it is better and safer for the first-time user to operate the 3D printer with the instruction of technical staff to ensure the safety of users. The overall process shown are only for review purposes in this video.
So, based on the research, the Ultimaker 2 Extended Plus 3D printer is worth $2,999. It is designed with a maximum build press of 9x9x12 inches. Moreover, this printer is designed to be one of the simplest, most dependable, and easiest printer to use on the market. The Ultimaker 2 Extended Plus is a high-definition printer that will continuously turn out well-printed parts. The user have not to worry about the long print job, and this machine was designed and tested to finish the job without failed print. The innovative feature of 3D printer will allow the user to quickly shape the filament and even choose the correct pressure for the filament. Other than that, the swappable nozzle design of the 3D printer allows the user to easily swap between 4 different sizes of nozzle, which are 0.25, 0.4, 0.6, and 0.8 millimeters. And the new fan caps has been installed to perfectly aim airflow below the nozzle from both sides of the printer. For the technology specification of Ultimaker 2 Plus Extended, the printing technology used by the printer is the fused filament fabrication. The printing material of Ultimaker 2 Plus included 2.88 mm PLA plastic, 2.88 mm ABS plastic, and any other specialist materials. The nozzle speed of the printer is around 30 to 300 mm per second. In addition, the dimension of the 3D printer is 19 x 13 x 22 inch. After that, the 3D printer Ultimaker 2 Plus Extended can be connected by the USB or either the SD card.
The design and production of 3D printing process are fast. It can print object within hours depending on parts design and complexity, and it is much faster than mold or machine parts. It is not only manufacture of the parts that can offer time saving through 3D printing, but also the design process can be very quick by creating STL or CAD file. In addition, 3D printing enables people to produce a complex shape, design, structure easily. The production of high complexity structure will not be restricted by 3D printing, and it allows the engineer or designer to test out their prototypes quickly. Other than that, 3D printing technology can minimize waste during production. Only the printed parts require the materials. Thus, the use of 3D printer is always considered with little or no wastage as compared to alternative method which can cut from large chunk of non-recycled materials. The resources are safe. Moreover, it is cost effective because people can save more materials being used during the production process.
Now I will talk about the application of 3D printing. The application of 3D printing is wide. It involves customer and industrial products, architectural scale models, automotive, healthcare, food, education, design, creativity development, construction, repairing, creative learning, and even education. From small-scale prototypes to full-scale structures, the technology of 3D printing can be seen in every major industry today. The modeling of prototype, keychain, model, fashion, the printing of apron machine, 3D printing food, 3D printing house, bridge, and home.
Imagine that in the future, people can create everything by simply thinking or imagine it. The advantages and usage of 3D printing will be spread around the world for the development and improvement of future countries. It will benefit thousands of people. The 3D printing technology will provide people with a higher standard of life, improve the efficiency of the work. As it evolves, 3D printing technology is destined to transform every industry. It will change the way we live, work, and play in the future. The 3D printer is one of the latest technology for innovation and development. It allows more people to explore their creativity freely and make the ideas come into real life.